we came across this renovation company through the television program. After watching the show, we went to their website and went to check out all the different designs that they have. It was something that maybe we can explore further.
Vincent did a good job to actually expand the entrance, because our old place, the entrance used to be very squeezy, so we have always have some problems coming in and out.
Vincent and Emerson did a very good job in the whole design, and they did quite a number of research to how to incorporate using lights and different color tones to make it a very cozy area.
First of all, I think we are quite open to any ideas from the designers. We did quite a lot of meetups to really discuss and delve into some of the ideas. After much discussion, I think we are quite happy and satisfied with what Vincent and Emerson's designed for us.
We're very thankful that actually Vincent and Emerson are actually the first designers that we actually approached, and we managed to click. And I think what's important is the chemistry. So they're able to translate whatever our ideas and the details that we needed, and they managed to translate it to their designs and make it the comfortable home that we have today.
I think to add on to that also, I think what's important is the follow-up after the renovation. I think Vincent and Emerson did a good job, because I think whenever we WhatsApp or call, they responded quite fast and quite prompt also in terms of follow-up and the things that need to touch up. I think that's commendable.
I'm very thankful that we also write on their expertise and all their experience and knowledge. And so I would say the whole journey is pretty much smooth for everyone. It was smooth for us.
I think design for space, I think whatever the ideas and concepts that they provide, I think is quite helpful to us, and also quite insightful to what we are looking in terms of the design and the renovation of our home.
I think Vincent and Emerson did a wonderful job creating the beautiful home that we have today, and we are very satisfied with it.